Greetings, everybody. Nikki Brown here. No matter where you are, what part of the world you are in, I hope that you are having a good day. So I just wanted to come on here really quickly because sometimes when I help people, I say thank you. And I say thank you because I'm grateful that I'm in a position where I can help people. And people are like, oh, you don't have to thank me. Like, you're helping me. But I do my best to be modest, right? And I'm thankful that I'm in a position where I can help people to reach their highest self and be the best version of themselves and live their best life. So it feels good when people benefit from that. And I'm thankful and I'm grateful because it's not about me. It's again about me doing the work. And part of the work is helping others because I've done the work. And Maya Angelou said, when you learn, teach. And so I am doing my best to be an influencer or a facilitator. I don't really think that I'm teaching, but maybe I am. I don't know. I guess I am. But again, I do my best to be modest because it's not about me. It's about me helping. And I love this work. Love y'all. Later. Mwah.